You don't get grabbed for being self-made. It starts with letters, not cuffs, and a raid. Mistakes, misforms, the numbers off track. 801's records, they ask and ask back. If the money's wrong, it's fees and a bill, not a slam of a door on a quiet street still. Long road first before it gets loud. Checks and reviews, keep it business like now. If they see intent, then the floor sits down. But small time slips don't turn to a crown. No home ownership, needed for a call. No mention, no keys, no trap in the wall. They don't roll in to stare at your place. They want the facts and a name in the case. If you stop replying, they get tight in the net. Payment plans, notices, fees, or black. Civil first, that's a normal line. Only fraud in the dark brings a criminal frame. Fake invoices, intentional gains. Hiding the income under borrowed names. That's when it grows and the pressure climbs. Fraudulent steps in after all the line. If you worried now, say what went wrong, mislodgement, debt, or I filed too long. I can break it down one step at a time. Civil or criminal, we can draw that line. Do not talk.